Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a page in Google Sites. First, go to sites.google.com, then click on the website you want to delete pages from. Now click on Pages. As you can see, these are the pages of your website, and to delete one or multiple, just click on these three dots next to the page you want to delete and select Delete. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Just like that, page has been removed, and don't forget to save your changes by hitting the publish button and redo it again, publish. And you can repeat the same process to delete multiple pages. And this is how to delete a page in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.